I've always wanted to do that. Yeah, I love it. Oh my god. Hey guys, hey babes, hey my lovelies, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm super happy to be here today and I'm bringing you a new try on. Oh, I'm super excited to be here, and I know how you guys love the try on haul. I love the fact that you guys love my first last try on haul, which was Shein, and today I'm coming back with another brand and we are doing FashionNova. I haven't opened my package yet. It's super heavy as you can see, and I want to share my first impression with you guys. I'm super excited about this package. I picked up some fire pieces and I'm sure you guys will love it. So yeah, let's get straight to the video. First item, we have this jumpsuit. Ooh, can I say that I'm obsessed? Like, what? This jumpsuit is bomb. What? Nah. This is the back and this is the front. I love it. I took this in a size medium and it fits me perfectly. I love this jumpsuit. Like, I just cannot wait to wear this. Like, outfit number 2, we have this wonderful, beautiful 2-piece set in this gorgeous color. I love this set. I got it in a size medium, super pretty. The quality is okay, it's super stretchy, so I love this type of material because it's doing what it's supposed to be done, you know. So yeah, I love this set. It's super pretty. I love the color. This is how the back look like, and this is the front. This is a palazzo pant, so it's flare at the bottom. Outfit number 3 is this beautiful 2-piece set. Another 2-piece set. I know, you know, it's so easy to just put them together and leave. So I took another 2-piece set, but guess what? When I was wearing the pants, look what happened. I don't know if you guys can see that. This just happened when I was wearing the pants. So cheapy quality alert. But yeah, I love it, but the quality of the material is just okay. I don't know how I can fix this one, but yeah, this just happened. But the top is long enough to cover it, but I would fix it. I would just sew that part in, that's it. But yeah, I love it. It's super stretchy. This is a size medium. I just love the color. I have an obsession with green since last year. That's crazy. But yeah, I love the color. This is super stretchy. I have it in a size medium. Here's the top. It's a shirt like that, and here is the back. The bottom is a flare pant. I love flare pant, but it's not too flare, but like a little bit. We have this cargo pant. I am obsessed with cargo, and this is bomb. I love this pant. It's so cute. The color, chef kiss. I love it. I got it in a size large. It's super cute, and this top is from FashionNova too, and I put this together, this little crop top situation and this nice cargo pant. I put them together. I love it. I love this cargo. It's not too much. The size large, so yeah, it's not stretchy. We have this beautiful top. It's a bodysuit, black and white, all mesh material. I love it. I love me a mesh material bodysuit. It's just perfect. I had the bralette that I had earlier, but I will recommend you to wear a black bralette or bra under it, so it can be super pretty. So I like it so much, and I have it in a size medium. Fits me perfectly. I have nothing to say about it. I can't complain. And I paired this top with this black split bottom split pant. I love it. One thing about the pant that I don't like is just that the band is too, you know, I think it's a bit too high for me. I don't mind high-waisted thing, but this is just a little bit too high. So I just fold it like that. And yeah, this is the outfit. This is the top size medium, the bottom size medium too, and it's a split print. Super nice, super figure again. Next outfit, actually I didn't buy it to pair it together, but I realized that it goes together real bad. I have this corset top. I think I was a CB right now. Okay, so yeah, I love this corset. I got it in a size large. Normally my size is medium, but when it comes to corset, you know, you never know. So I got it in a size large, and that was perfect. I love the color. It's super pretty. You can wear it with a skirt, you can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with pink, like anything. I love it. I wish I had another one. Honestly, I love it. Look at the color. The color is so perfect. And here's the back. So nice. That's great from FashionNova in the size medium. It's a maxi skirt. Skirt is super nice. I love it, and it's weird, but it goes perfectly with the top. And I got this in a size medium. It's super stretchy, and the top is in the size large. And I don't think I'll pair it together. I'll pair the skirt with, I really want to pair it with the leather black corset top. I just feel like it's going to be so cute together. But yeah, so far this is the look, and I absolutely love it. The next guy, we have this pants. We have all seen this pant all over the internet, all over Instagram, and I got this pant finally. I wanted that so bad, and I finally got it. Super cute. This is a size XL. Okay, let me tell you, I got the size XL because I read the reviews and everybody was talking about it's too small, blah. So yeah, I was right for doing that. It fits me perfectly. I think the L would have fit me too, but it would have been so tight. And I like the fact that it's not too tight. It's actually perfect. Honestly, XL is perfect. I love it. I love this pant. It goes all the way down, and yeah, I'm going to wear it with sneakers and a little crop top like that. Super cute. I love it. Honestly, I love it. I just don't like the fact that the crotch is like that, but I guess because it's an XL. So yeah, anyways, I like it. Doesn't matter. I really like the pants. So I think I will wear it. Next, we have a pair of jeans. It's been a minute I haven't purchased no jeans on the internet. So I have this pair of jeans. I love it. I got it in a size 15 based on the review, and yes, I was right to do it. So I got it in a size 15. It probably get it altered, and it's long because I'm a short girl, but overall good quality. I love it. I think when I will do all the three things, fix here and cut it a little bit, that'll be perfect. It fits me perfectly. It's a little bit stretchy, but not too much, and I love it. Next, we have this gorgeous top. I love it. I love the color. It's screaming summer, spring break, beach, everything. I mean, vamos a la playa, a mí me gusta bailar. Like, this top is everything. I love it. And look at the back. I cannot wait to wear it. I cannot wait to wear it. And this is a size medium. It's not stretchy at all, so be careful about that. But here is the color. Super pretty. Nice green. I just realized that I have so much green stuff in this haul, but like it's the green obsession. I'm in my green girl era. I love so babes, next we have this white top. It's asymmetrical. I don't know if it's correct, but yeah, asymmetrical white top. I love it. The quality is so nice. I needed some top in my wardrobe, so yeah, I have this top. It's super nice for a cute jean and nice top outfit and clothes. You know, super nice to just do some chill, cute looks. This is a look. It's simple and it's cute. Like, yeah, I love this top. I love the little balloon here. It's doing it for me. Got this top in the size medium, and it fits me perfectly. Honestly, I love it. And I cannot wait to next. We have this beautiful black top. I love it. When I saw this on the website, I was like, this is so sexy, and I need to have that. So yeah, it's can I say off the shoulder? I don't know. It's an off the shoulder bodysuit. I absolutely love it. I love it like that. I don't know. I love everything that we have to tie around the neck. I just find it so beautiful. So I have this beautiful black bodysuit. I think it's just super sexy. It's a high cut bodysuit. I wanted to wear it with a classy, like for a classy look with a nice little leather paint or something, but since it's high cut, I'm actually reconsidering, and I think I'm going to wear it with a cargo paint because it's high cut, so you know it can do something. So here I got this top in a size medium. I love it. It's super stretchy. The material is double, so it's not see-through, anything like that. So yes, get into this top. I love it. So next we have a basic t-shirt. It's supposed to be a sculpting t-shirt, which I don't think it is because it's not sculpting nothing here. It's bigger and it's supposed to be a one size. I think it's big. Like, I'm so mad at myself for picking this, but anyway, it's basic, so it's fine. I got this in a black and in this brown color, and I mean it's okay. I can wear it for like regular stuff, but yeah, I was expecting so much. Like, why are you calling this a sculpting shirt, t-shirt, when it's not sculpting nothing? Because it's currently not doing anything for me. So I don't know. But it's fine. It's a basic shirt, you know. You cannot go wrong with that. So I have two colors. It's a one size shirt, which is weird. But yeah, it's okay. I have nothing to say about this shirt. It's just giving plain. So next I have this super cute pink tie around the neck bodysuit. I love this bodysuit. It's super cute. Pink, you can never go wrong with pink because with everything, I love it. I just wanted more top in my wardrobe. That's why I picked so much top. But so far so good. I love it. The quality is what you pay for. I don't think it was more than $14. So yeah, the quality is not the best quality, but it works. So yeah, I absolutely love it. Okay guys, last item, we have this beautiful acid wash dress. Let me tell you, it's super hard to get in. Like, it was a struggle to get inside the dress. So this is a size medium. This is the top. It's pretty simple. Here's the back, and here is the split. It has a long split over there. You can make it shorter or you can make it longer. So this length is perfect for me. I love it. I love this dress so much. It's so bomb, so freaking cute. I cannot wait to style this and post it on my social media. So if you want to see how I will style this dress, don't forget to follow me. So yeah, this is the dress. This is the size medium and I love it. Honestly, I love it. So babe, unfortunately this is the end of the video. I mean, I absolutely love all my pieces. Some of them the quality weren't the best, but overall I love everything. I don't think I'm going to return anything. I'll keep them all. And thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite outfit and which one are you going to purchase. And also don't forget to follow me on my different social media, Instagram, TikTok, and like this video, share this video, and let me know what you want to see next. See y'all.